Hello everybody, this is Terry Gent with Be Creative, and Jayla and I are going to be doing a video all about this hat. You see, I have a function I'm getting ready to go to, and the theme is red, white, and blue shamrocks. So I got my red, white, and blue hat. Now I just need a shamrock. So my dance group is actually in a parade, a St. Patrick's Day parade, and that's why we have the shamrocks. And since the U.S. is celebrating its 250th birthday, that's where the red, white, and blue comes in at. So one of the functions that we'll be going to for the weekend of the parade, we're going to be wearing hats. And so I got to get a hat all ready for me. This is almost done. I just need to add a shamrock to it. And I'm going to be using felt, buttons, and hot glue to do so. Remembered I had some red, white, and blue felt, so I got that out. And I have these white buttons. So I think what I'm going to do is not use the white felt, just use the red and the blue, and then the white will be the buttons. And this is the button I picked out, little square white button. So as far as the shamrock goes, all that is hearts. There are hearts put together. So I made 4 red hearts, these are the bigger hearts, and 4 blue hearts. And I'm not for sure if I'm going to have a 3-leaf clover or a 4-leaf clover. There's my red, white, and blue. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the blue on top of the red, and I'm going to hot glue them together. So let me do all 4 of these, and I'll be back to show you what's next. You have to work fast with that hot glue and felt. It dries really quick. All right, so I've got all 4 of these done. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pinch these that and put a little bit of glue in there, so they're going to look like this. All right, so I have them all done, and it's messy. That's okay. We will fix that in a little bit. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to glue them together side by side, and this is where I've got to make a decision if I want a 3-leaf or a 4-leaf clover. So I think I'm going to put it here. I thought about putting it in the back, but I'm going to put it right here on the side. And I want a clip that can go through here, and so it's just going to hang here. I thought about using this clip, but that clip's not long enough. So I'm using this clip, and once it dries, I'm going to clip it on that and see what it looks like. It's all finished. I did decide to do 3 buttons on the side there, and I went with the 3-leaf clover rather than a 4-leaf clover. Now, if I wanted to, like I said, I could have put it on the back. I could have put it on both sides. But I'm just going to leave it simple like that. Once this cures a little bit more, I am going to trim off the glue a little bit there. I got a little messy with it. Anyway, that is my red, white, and blue shamrock hat for our function that's coming up in March. This would be a fun little activity to make. You can make them a little bit smaller and make hair bows out of them. Or maybe you could put a stick on it and just have a little thing you hold that's got a shamrock. Again, I could have added 1 more and it would have been a 4-leaf clover. Thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye. Oh, and happy St. Paddy's Day.